Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is window handling in Selenium. Window handling in Selenium is used when an application opens multiple browser windows or tabs. By default, Selenium controls only one window, the parent window. When a new tab or window opens, Selenium must explicitly switch control to it. Selenium identifies windows using window handles, which are unique IDs. Using these handles, we can switch to a child window, perform actions, switch back to the parent window. In real projects, window handling is commonly used for login with external providers, help or documentation links, payment gateways, new tabs opened from the application. Let me run this application and we will see the same behavior. Once we launch the browser, we are opening a new tab, which is the example domain, which is shared in the script. An example. Okay, so we are using here in coming classes, we will see how JavaScript executor works. But as of now, we are checking only on the window handle. So as you can see, Selenium opens the application, stores the parent window handle, and opens a new tab, switches to it, prints the title, and switches back to the parent window. So that is what happened. The child window title is example domain, which is in the second tab. Back to the parent window, it came back and it is printed the title, that is free CRM. Once I enter, the application will be closed. So window handling allows Selenium to control multiple browsers windows safely. Next, we will see the difference between close and quit. Thank you.